Imagine logging into your boring 401k retirement account, feeling completely confident that your hard-earned money is safely tucked away in conservative passive index funds, while being entirely unaware that a hidden algorithmic trapdoor is about to forcefully inject your life savings into the most hyped volatile stock market event in human history. Think about the years you spent quietly scraping together those contributions, deeply trusting the traditional financial system to protect your family's future, only to be secretly used as a pawn in a billionaire's casino. Right now, in 2026, Elon Musk is preparing the record-shattering $1.75 trillion SpaceX IPO, and the financial elite have literally rewritten the stock market rulebook to guarantee that you are the one paying for it. For decades, the ultimate safety net of passive investing was built on a simple, unbreakable law. When a new, untested company goes public, it is forced to wait months or even a full year in a seasoning period before it is allowed to join major indexes like the Nasdaq 100. This waiting period protected everyday retirement accounts from the wild, dangerous price swings of a fresh IPO. But Wall Street just pulled the ultimate regulatory sleight of hand by aggressively pushing the new fast entry rule. This completely legal loophole allows mega-cap giants like SpaceX to entirely bypass the waiting line and smash their way straight into the index in just 15 short trading days. It is an absolute slap in the face to every hard-working American who was told to just play it safe and buy the index, while the insiders completely change the rules of the game the exact second it benefits them. Here is the terrifying magic trick: your passive 401k and those massive index funds don't analyze whether a stock is actually worth buying. They are simply robots algorithmically forced to buy whatever is placed inside the index. The exact second SpaceX triggers that fast entry rule, billions of dollars of your passive retirement money will blindly auto-purchase the stock at its absolute peak hype valuation, essentially turning your conservative American 401k into literal exit liquidity for billionaire insiders desperately looking to cash out. The thought of your hard-won retirement, the money meant to guarantee your absolute peace of mind in your golden years, being hijacked to hand early investors an immediate risk-free payday, should absolutely make your blood boil. My entire mission is to aggressively educate you on these exact mathematical illusions, so you aren't silently robbed in broad daylight by the very system designed to protect you. You have to wake up from the dangerous illusion that passive investing automatically means perfectly safe. Realize that Wall Street is rewriting the rules of global liquidity right under your nose, and start paying deep attention to exactly what your index funds are being forced to buy before the algorithm automatically gambles your financial freedom on the biggest IPO bubble in modern history.
Thank you for watching this video.